Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, a Tectonic aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Monday, yes, it's still Monday, August the 28th, 2023, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and this one I will do in a minute. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you, gold medal, yes, gold medal, a sensational finish of the women's athletics 4x400 meter, yeah. The Dutch team has won the gold medal, yes. This one will be number 6997. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 9 by 11. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 20. Alright, and should be a 1-star, and for 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if I can manage this within 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Do we have more? No. I see we have 2 dual boxes here. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. Do not know in which order. Insufficient information right now. Okay, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. No triple boxes here. I see only 1 quadra box. Well, this box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, more quadra boxes. It's a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T-shape. Let me draw the T-shape here. When you see the T-shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. Then only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right, you will get the Z. But let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more? Yes, I see another one here, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that we... No. We have another one, the L shape. Here, let me draw this here, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Well, that means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this dual box should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. This box can be 4 in this quadra box. So 1 digit left should be the 3 then. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. These are 3 boxes, so around the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. Then these are 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then let me see. 5, 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Is connected with that box should be so 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this cross area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 2, but also this box can be a 5. So the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. Is also connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. It's also connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Okay, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction. Should be here. Then this box can be a 3, this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 here. Okay, this box can be a 1, this box can be 2, this box can be, oh wait, we already have a 2 here. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to go down. Well, 1, 2, 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there, and can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Well. Need a 3 here in this area. Could be here 3. Well, come on, 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 1. I need a 1 here. Difficult. 4 and a 1. Well, this box can be a 1, can be a 4, can be 2, 1, 2, 4, so 3 and a 5 here, 3 and a 5. Well, interesting, this one, interesting. I'm stuck here. Okay, I need a 3 here, so 3 could be here, could be there. 4 and a 5. Well, we have here 4 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be 4 and a 5. So the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay. We need a 3 in this L shape area. Well, this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. We need also a 3 here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, should be a 3. Oh, sorry. Can it be a 1? Can be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be a 4. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. So 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 5 here. Okay. 2 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here, okay. Then. Well, I need 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, 3 and a 4. 4 and a 5. Well, come on, this is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. About here. 1, 3. 2 and a 5. 4, 1, and a 3. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means, yeah, this cannot be a 3 here. I need a 1 here also. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes. Okay, so here can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 then as a pair, so not the 3. I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 is supposed to be here, and this box is connected with that box, will be 1 and a 4. Okay, and this box is connected with that box, will be a 3. This box 3 or 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright, 1 box left in this area for number 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it can be a 5 anymore. Should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Is connected with this box, also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in, no, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes and there. Alright, we go to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1 box left in this Z construction for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box give me 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars here. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.